Hello and welcome back to Marketing Minutes. Today we're going to discuss the effectiveness of video news releases, or VNRs, and why they work so well. The internet has assumed a growing prominence in the news cycle, and the way online media outlets like to be approached has also changed. Editors of online magazines, newspapers, and media often lack the staff to convert traditional press releases into more readable newsprint-ready copy. The VNR news format helps media outlets separate news releases quicker and easier than old-fashioned press releases, such as pitch letters or media advisories. VNRs, unlike press releases, are sent directly to magazines, newspapers, and media outlets, or to free and paid distribution services. These distribution services then provide the VNR content as is to media outlets for publication, which is usually online. Because VNRs are pre-packaged and pre-produced, this saves editors time, not only in reviewing and rewriting the story, but also in the time and money it would have taken to capture the news firsthand. In this new competitive digital world, customers want their content instantly and easy to consume. Putting pressure on media outlets to output as much material as possible. This causes them to rely heavily on the video news releases, not press releases, to create their stories. Thank you for watching this Marketing Minute.